their second day. Yes, this is their second day. I have to add antibiotic and vitamins. I added this can water, and this is Isa disinfectant that we use in our home for cleaning and for bathing. This Isa disinfectants serves as water treatment to poultry chickens. You do buy water treatment for your poultry chicken. This Isa disinfectants frees the water, serves as a water treatment. It prevents fungi infections in poultry chickens. This Isa disinfectant you are seeing, I use it to cure my fungi when my layer chicken had a fungi growth within 2 weeks old. It clears up their fungi growth, and since then I've been using it in water treatment. This Isa disinfectant prevents and cures every fungal infections